$1 bill. I'm going to change my tire and use this code to get discount. Welcome to Planet Ban. I came here not only to get the discount, but also I want to get the promo. A tire, it costs 199,000 rupiah. And I'm going to change in and out front tire. Not only promo or discount, but also free installment of the tire. It's free of charge, is precise and also modern. In order to get a promo, you need to follow their social media like Facebook or Instagram. Just click it and then you will get notified from your email and then use the code to get the discount. And tonight for discount, I gotta cut 24,000 rupiah. It's $1.50. I also get promo price and also free installment of the tire. Thanks for watching.